Hello there. In this guide, I will walk you through everything from choosing the right Linux distribution to installing popular gaming clients like Steam, Lutris, and more. So without further ado, let's get started. While you can game on almost any Linux distro, some are more user-friendly and better optimized for gaming. Pop! OS is one of the most popular Linux distros for gaming. It comes with excellent hardware support and pre-installed Nvidia driver. Ubuntu is beginner friendly and well supported. There are tons of tutorials and a large community, making it easier to find solutions to any problem you might face. Fedora, known for its up-to-date software. Fedora also supports gaming well. Manjaro, a great choice if you want to roll and release distro. It provides the latest software updates and drivers. In this guide, I will be using Ubuntu distro. Once you have chosen your distro, follow these following steps to ensure your system is ready for gaming. First step is install the graphic process unit drivers. AMD drivers are included in kernel, so you don't need to install anything extra. NVIDIA uses on Pop! OS. This driver is pre-installed. On Ubuntu and others, install it manually or install it from Software Updater. Click on the additional drivers tab. There you will see the NVIDIA driver. I'm using VMware, so I don't have this option. You can also manually install it using the terminal. Let's open the terminal. Make sure to visit the description section of this video to execute the following command to install the NVIDIA driver. Some Linux distros like Pop! OS comes with GameMode support, which optimizes system performance for gaming. For other distros, install GameMode using the following command. This tool adjusts your CPU and input-output scheduler while gaming, ensuring smooth performance. Wine is a compatibility layer that lets you run Windows applications, including games, on Linux. To install Wine, execute the following command from the description section of this video. Using this command, you can configure Wine with necessary Wine environment. Linux has several options when it comes to launching and managing games. Steam is the most straightforward way to play games on Linux. To install Steam, execute following command. This is the second command you will need to execute to install Steam. Next command to execute is the following command. Execute this command to make sure you are up to date. You can now execute this command to install the Steam. After executing this command, execute Steam command. Now you can install the Steam. You can now set up your Steam to use it after the installation. Lutris is a game manager that supports a wide range of gaming platforms, including GOG, Epic Games, and even older Windows titles. It uses Wine to run Windows games and offers pre-configured settings for many games. To install Lutris on Ubuntu, execute the following command. Press Enter key. Now execute this command to update your packages. Now execute this command to install Lutris. Once installed, you can use Lutris to install games from GOG, Epic Games, and Battle.net. You can use this command to install Vulkan, which is a modern high-performance graphic API that widely supports on Linux. Ensure it is installed and running on your system. For NVIDIA users, install the proprietary drivers to get Vulkan support. As I have mentioned earlier, GameMode improves your gaming performance by optimizing CPU, and other resources while gaming. Ensure it is running by adding the following command and replace the command with the game name to launch the game for any games in stream or Lutris. That is it for this guide. Gaming on Linux has come a long way, and today it is easier than ever to get started. Whether you are playing native games on Steam or using Wine to run your favorite Windows titles, Linux offers a robust and fun gaming experience. By choosing the right distro, setting up gaming tools, and optimizing your system, you can jump into the world of Linux gaming with confidence. So pick your favorite distro, install Steam, and Lutris, start playing. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.